In this video, we're going to be writing an inequality based on our real life situation, and then we're going to solve that inequality. So our situation is that you have $15 to spend on groceries. You have $12.25 worth of groceries in your cart. Write an inequality that represents how much money M you can spend on groceries. So we want to start with our number 15. 15 is the most we can spend, right? That's the most we can spend. Let's give ourselves some room. So this is the most we can spend, all right? Now in our cart, we already have $12.25. We already have this, right? And the M represents what more you can spend, right? What more you can spend, right? So we have the money we have. Let's try this again. Hang on. Let's think of this kind of like with some words. So we want to take the value of the groceries we have in the cart, and we're going to add that to any additional groceries that we're going to buy. And that number has to be smaller than how much money we brought, right? Does it have to only be smaller? No, because we could spend $15. It kind of depends on if the tax is included, right? So let's assume that the tax is included in the price that we have inside of our cart. And then here we have the max money to spend. So using this to help us, we can write our inequality. So the value of the groceries in our cart is $12.25. And we can add M value worth of groceries into our cart. But whatever we do, it has to be smaller than or equal to the $15 that we're allowed to spend. So the question is, how much more can we spend? So we can do this algebraically, which means showing our work. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to subtract the $12.25 from each side. And that tells us that M must be less than or equal to $2.75. Now this is a problem that a lot of people might kind of work out in their head, thinking, okay, I can spend at least $2.75 more cents. But this is a way that we can also write it down and apply it so that we can see it with bigger numbers or even more things.